Welcome to our video on 10 amazing Microsoft Office hacks that will change your life. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who loves using Office, these hacks will take your productivity to the next level. From creating macros to customizing your ribbon, we've got some amazing tips to share with you. So buckle up and get ready to revolutionize the way you work with Microsoft Office. Hack number 1, create macros to save time. If you find yourself repeatedly performing a task in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, you can create a macro to automate the process. Macros are a series of commands that can be executed with a single click. They can be used to perform a wide variety of tasks, from formatting text to creating charts. This simple hack can save you a lot of time and increase your productivity. Hack number 2, master the power of keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are an incredibly efficient way to navigate Microsoft Office. Instead of using your mouse to click through menus and options, you can use a series of key combinations to perform tasks quickly. For example, pressing Ctrl+S saves your document in Word, while Ctrl+C copies text in Excel. Learning common keyboard shortcuts is an essential hack for anyone who wants to increase their efficiency in Microsoft Office. Hack number 3, use the Quick Access toolbar to customize your ribbon. The Quick Access toolbar is a customizable toolbar that sits above the ribbon in Microsoft Office. You can add buttons for commands you use frequently, such as save, undo, and redo. This simple hack can save you time by giving you quick access to the most commonly used commands in Office. Hack number 4, utilize templates to streamline your work. Templates are pre-designed documents that you can use as a starting point for your own work. In Microsoft Office, you can find templates for everything from resumes to calendars. This hack can save you time and effort, as you won't have to create documents from scratch. Simply download a template, customize it to your needs, and you're done. Hack number 5, take advantage of the Smart Lookup feature. The Smart Lookup feature in Microsoft Office is a powerful tool that allows you to search for information on the web without leaving your document. For example, if you're working on an essay in Word and come across a term you're unfamiliar with, you can simply select it and right-click to access the Smart Lookup feature. This hack can save you time and improve the quality of your work. Hack number 6, use conditional formatting to visualize data. Conditional formatting is a feature in Excel that allows you to apply formatting to cells based on specific conditions. For example, you can highlight cells that contain a certain value, or apply a color scale to show the highest and lowest values in a range. This hack can make it easier to analyze and understand your data, saving you time in the long run. Hack number 7, master the art of copy and paste. Copy and paste is a simple yet powerful hack that can save you time when working with Microsoft Office. For example, if you need to move a table from Word to PowerPoint, you can simply copy and paste it instead of recreating it from scratch. By mastering the art of copy and paste, you can streamline your workflow and increase your productivity. Hack number 8, customize your ribbon to suit your needs. The ribbon in Microsoft Office is a collection of tabs and commands that allow you to access various features and tools. By customizing your ribbon, you can make it easier to access the commands and tools you use most frequently. This hack can save you time and make your work in Microsoft Office more efficient. Hack number 9, utilize the Tell Me feature to find what you need. The Tell Me feature in Microsoft Office is a smart search box that allows you to search for commands and features without browsing through menus and options. For example, if you need to insert a table in Word, you can simply type Insert Table in the Tell Me box to find the command. This hack can save you time and make it easier to access the features you need. Hack number 10, take advantage of collaboration tools. Microsoft Office includes a range of collaboration tools that allow you to work with others in real time. For example, you can co-author a document in Word, work on a spreadsheet in Excel, or give a presentation in PowerPoint, all while collaborating with others. This hack can save you time and improve the quality of your work. And there you have it, 10 amazing Microsoft Office hacks that will change your life. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can save time, increase your productivity, and simplify your work in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. We hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content from our channel.